Unfortunately, oil spills occur more often than most people think. While major oil spills, such as the Exxon Valdez and Gulf Coast disasters, have received a lot of media attention, many smaller accidents occur every year. Many sources suggest that 5,000 barrels of oil are leaking into the water each day. Other estimates put this number as high as 70,000 barrels per day. Currently, the disposal methods of used sorbent materials from other manufacturers, incineration and burial, are strongly disapproved of by various environmental organizations. As a result, companies are criticized and pressured for failing to ensure environmentally friendly disposal of their products. The unique properties of EcoSure and its ability for environmentally friendly multi-recycling and regeneration of used material is due to the fact that it is made from natural cotton, which gives it significant advantages over all materials produced by other manufacturers. These advantages are further enhanced by properties of the EcoSure material itself, which allow significantly higher performance of various consumer tasks in comparison with materials of competitors. Let's compare the main characteristics of EcoSure and other offers on the market. Main properties of the material: EcoSure, natural cotton, best competitive offer, polymer materials, absorption capacity per 1 kilogram of material, up to 40 kilograms of oil products, confirmed by tests of American and Canadian laboratories. The best proven indicators of the main American sorbent manufacturers are 10 to 12 kilograms of petroleum products. Absorption rate per 1 kilogram of material, more than 8 kilograms of diesel fuel per minute. Best competitive offer, from 3 to 6 kilograms of diesel fuel per minute, depending on the specific manufacturer. Number of recycling regeneration cycles, more than 100. Main manufacturers do not provide regeneration. In some cases, up to 30 to 50 unverified cycles are declared by manufacturers. Types of absorbed substances: crude and refined oil, various petroleum products, various oil-based products, lubricants, various oleo-like substances. Best competitive offer: collection of oleo-like substances is not provided. Capability to collect benzene. Applicable without restrictions. Best competitive offer: not applicable. Possibilities for use in special technological processes. Possibility of use for the purification of amines in the process of natural gas purification. Best competitive offer: no declared applications. Loss of absorption capacity during recycling regeneration. With each regeneration cycle, subject to all technical requirements for the regeneration process, the loss of absorption properties is within 0.05 to 0.5%. Materials from major manufacturers are single-use only, non-recyclable, non-reusable. Some manufacturers declare unverified recycling ability with a loss of absorption capacity up to 80 to 85% after each recycling. Disposal of used material. Biodegradation, end-of-life use as feedstock in GTL waste-to-energy processes. Best competitive offer: by incineration. Possibility of further use of the absorption product after undergoing the recycling regeneration process. Possible. Best competitive offer: not possible. Possibilities of use in marine and other liquid environments. The sorbent is intended for use in both underwater and surface environments. Best competitive offer: hydrophobic properties are available, but they lack the capability for use in underwater operations. Ability to absorb trace impurities, contaminants, and toxins contained in the absorbed substance. Provides complete absorption of trace impurities, contaminants, and toxins. Best competitive offer: no data available. The cost of using 1 kilogram of sorbent, including recycling regeneration, approximately 3 to 4 times cheaper compared to the indicated properties of materials supplied by competitors. wildlife compatibility, fully compatible, plant-based substance compatible with animal diets. There are no restrictions regarding use in natural habitats. Best competitive offer, low compatibility. Plastics substances are pollutants of natural habitat. We will demonstrate how our sorbent material, produced under the EcoSure trademark, works with various petroleum products. First, let's compare the hydrophobic properties of ordinary material and EcoSure. As you can see, EcoSure does not absorb water, and water flows right off the EcoSure surface, unlike ordinary material. Let's start collecting diesel fuel in water. EcoSure absorbs diesel fuel instantly through a capillary system. 1 kilogram of EcoSure material can collect up to 40 kilograms of diesel fuel. Squeezing out the collected diesel fuel, we pour it back into the container and make sure that it is clean, free of any water, and totally collected. Let's try to collect a mixture of used motor oil and diesel fuel. The mixture is more viscous and darker in color, so everything is clearly visible. It took a little longer to collect the more viscous mixture, but one side of the EcoSure material was able to collect all of the mixture from the surface of the water. Now we will collect only the used motor oil using the already applied and squeezed out EcoSure material. It's a difficult product to work with for the material because it's quite viscous, more viscous than, for example, diesel fuel. This demonstration shows how our already used sorbent material performs even with used viscous motor oil. The material still steadfastly retains the absorbed oil. Laboratory studies in the USA have shown that EcoSure material can be used 100 to 200 times and more. After collecting the remaining oil with a new EcoSure piece and squeezing it out, let's check how the sorbent works underwater. Watching the example of wiping a glass and plastic with an EcoSure napkin, we see how the material can be used to clean various objects, such as rocks, piers, etc., on the surface and underwater from petroleum products. When the water surface is turbulent, EcoSure will collect petroleum products even faster and more efficiently. Finally, we'll wipe the aquarium glass with both a used and a clean EcoSure cloth on the surface and underwater. We pour the collected oil back into the container. We see that there is no trace of water and that the used motor oil is completely collected. EcoSure also performs well on land. You can see that in the example of the oil spill on the white work table. After collecting the oil and wiping, the table is just as white as before. Here is EcoSure line of products designed for collecting large and small spills of petroleum products and various oils, rolls, trawls, booms, napkins, pillows, mats, and various spill kits. For multiple reuses, the used EcoSure material can be regenerated using vacuum units, specialized centrifuges, and various mechanical devices. The unique EcoSure will collect any liquid petroleum product as well as natural oils on land, in fresh or salt water, and at any temperature, preserving the environment with unique, natural, biodegradable EcoSure products.